Hello everyone, Twistncoils here. So today we're going to do a tutorial and it is a mommy and me style. I've already done her daughter's hair and I actually will leave the link to her video above. So I go into great details in the other video regarding the hair that was used, but I wanted to show you guys her results as well and let me know what you guys think. Enjoy! Okay, that pretty much wraps up this look. I'll leave the link above on her daughter's style so you guys can check that out. I want to say happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. This is a great mommy and me style for you guys to try. And as always, thank you to my new subscribers and current subscribers for hanging there with me. You guys have a blessed day.